What's poppin' beauties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela, also known as Poppin' Pigments, and today I have a very special guest, my big sister. Her Instagram will be down below. My Instagrams are down below. And today we are playing the Who's Most Likely To challenge. So we have some paddles. Destiny and Danny. Destiny and Danny. So yeah, so when it's Destiny. When it's Danny. Who's the most likely to be late?
Oh, late. That was the question.
I was getting ready today. We filmed it at 1 p.m. and I was getting ready from 8 o'clock.
Damn! Who is more likely to spend money on stupid things?
You freak me? What? The only thing I don't spend money on is makeup, fam.
Exactly, stupid things. Cause like now you spend money so much. Like, why spend money on that stupid?
I don't know. Food. We got food at home. That's like, I don't eat fish. I don't eat this. I don't eat that. That's me don't know me neither. We got food at home. Who's most likely to cause a scene?
Yeah, that one.
Like that's me so dramatic. Like it's not even funny. And like if Destiny can't keep in nothing. If Destiny mad, you gonna see it. Sad, you gonna see it. Period.
Oh, really?
Like if she got a problem with you, you gonna know it and she gonna want to tell you and I gonna be like, whoa!
So who is most likely to cancel plans because of an outfit malfunction or a hairdo? That's a question. This girl, listen to me, friend. Tell me that she the canceling plans from we like dead ass. I could count so many.
That's facts though. Because I feel like if I look bad or if I feel like I look bad, I gonna be like this.
Like nah, you committed to plans, be like you don't do this or that.
When you look popping, you feel popping. Like that's my mantra in life. Like you gotta look popping to feel popping. Period. If my hair not done, my makeup not done. Well, my makeup don't need to be done. But if my hair, your hair is your beauty fan. Who is most likely to get the other one in trouble? Let me tell you. Well, you know it's you. Let me tell you something about Destiny. Destiny will know. She do something. She will keep quiet and she be like. And then when she get in trouble, she will be like, "But Diana do this and Diana do that." I'm just like, "You serious?" Look, the thing is beyond shit and she's like, no, let me take the drama off of me and put it on Diana. And she's going to tell her all my secrets and I'm like,
man, what's bracking? Square up, homie.
Who is most likely to start a fight?
I had that one in mind.
Let me tell you something. We was in like Grover time. And this girl walked past me and like, you know when a girl walking past a whole group of girls don't feel the need to like style up or something. That's all it was like.
Oh yeah, I remember.
You're doing too much, sweetie. And it was she birthday. Not in like Grove, it was in Lucky Heart shoe. Point is, Destiny was bolded and everybody was like, whoa! Whoa!
I literally went back.
It was not that we was like afraid and I feel like they would think that we was afraid, but it was like this uncomfortable.
That's one thing about me, like, I don't, people can't like intimidate me and make me feel like, you understand?
I feel like the fact that you was it's like, show that them intimidate you. I
ain't care. I'm gonna beat your ass though. Who's more likely to tell a lie? Me? She had me so good. I was like, me? I don't like it. I tell the truth all the time. Even if I know I'm gonna get in trouble.
I feel as though.
Let me hear this.
I feel like I don't really tell like I tell exaggerated truths. Or make
it true. That like I don't get it.
Like I used to be telling Destiny a story and make it so fascinating. I mean Destiny hear the actual story and so nothing like these things that I tell. But I just feel like it's add a little flavor. Who's most likely to apologize first? And I feel it's because she's been wrong all the time.
No, it's not. It's just that I just It don't be worth it. And honestly, I don't know why when it is that me, you have an argument, I just go out one country, you want to ask me for something or talk to you about something, and it is so annoying.
Because that's me to start petty arguments over nothing.
And you don't want back down. You could just shut up and go along, but you just continue talking.
No, I just shut up.
Me.
I just shut up, and then you start back talking. So I be like, okay, you want to be about it? Let me be about it. Anybody know that has baby too. We know that like we's always crawling, but don't crawl on. We will be crawling. Period. We will snap. We will snap at you like who you talking to? And then we can just love each other back again.
Toxic. It's like a toxic relationship. Who is most likely to get their heart broken easily? I feel like I'm falling in love too fast.
Me not carry feelings.
Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun.
Don't point at the screen with the guns.
Sorry.
But me not carry feelings. Period. Like
I don't know.
Destiny, right? Let me tell you something about Destiny. Destiny will cry over boy number 1, while boy number 2 messaging she, and she arguing with boy number 2, and she crying over boy number 1. Girl, you have me. I had sneeze. Like, how you want cry? You got 2 people. Like, you got just jump off the next
But
one.
now, like, not boy number 1 better, so boy number 2 just dead.
Who's most likely to lose their phone?
Baby girl.
But I feel like Destiny lose more important things than me, because you lose your purse at TVC. TVC news. TVC news. Destiny lost your purse, and a woman like my mother was like, I see Destiny night on TVC news. And the person find it, we never get back things inside though.
No, I know who you are.
And then Destiny lost your phone in secondary school inside the van. Like I never lost. To be honest, right? I lose small things. I feel like I would left it somewhere, but it will always come back and find it. That's the thing, you know.
I lost my phone in school sports too, but we didn't get it back.
No, y'all shout out to you, Nat. Nat, what? No. Destiny was
and the policeman already called on that. He was
like, I was like, you with she? You sure that you right? Cause she's who had the phone. I was like, no, we were I find the phone in the bathroom,
yeah.
and he poured the party. You cannot see that on TV.
Who is most likely to kill someone accidentally? Because they feel like what it's saying me is because if Dala kills somebody, it says she rehearsed, is she bringing, and that is like saying that she planned or whatever. Because they feel as though I would accidentally kill the person and then I would go kind of dial for help to like
bury the body.
Yeah.
I just want to see.
You see how she said I get she in trouble.
Exhibit it. I feel like Destiny because Destiny real like clumsy and like she's like met rash decisions but like thinking about it, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like she and the person would be like arguing and she'd be like, I like accidentally like slit the throat or say or like stab them to death or something like that on accident. I feel like if it was me now, I want to kill you.
She easily just get angry neither, so we will probably
fast. I think I easily get angry, but you ain't gonna know that I'm angry. Who is most likely to get kids first?
Cause she got a boyfriend at the moment, so
yeah, cause I feel like I can get kids first. I feel like I can get married first.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Honestly, right? A whole life going right now. I don't think I could get married. Like nobody can't fall in. Nobody niggas.
That you would.
I feel like I'm more stable in that department. I feel like that's me just unlucky with love. I feel like that's a whole less romantic. She's falling in love easily, so it's like get she heartbroken just as easily. She just fall for the wrong people.
Stupid niggas.
Who is most likely to make a big deal out of nothing?
Drama queen. I don't think it's a drama queen though.
The thing is, right? People say that oh, dramatic.
You are though.
But she dramatic.
But if you take me and she dramatic, you got some mother. But you tell that story, do what? Look.
Look, we get the backstory,
it.
the call log, the thing. You can
I
literally
would
come back
hit
tomorrow.
you, like if it's a story about someone hit somebody, she was like,
Oh yeah, boy.
I pounced it.
Yeah, she's like, I should do that. I'm like, wow. Because like,
I don't know how to play.
I usually most likely want to start a fight, and she can't bob a weave, guys.
I
You
don't
know
even think I
that.
can
Who's most likely to take a big risk? It literally can be me, like literally, because
What?
I so afraid of everything. Like that's me who made me really get into makeup. I would have probably never even. I would never even still be doing makeup because like nobody don't believe in me. But look at me now.
Look at her now, like she ain't got the extra shit, but
I will insert the pictures, but
Yeah.
look at me now. Period. Like I's all that. Well, not all it all to Destiny because
not all to me,
but because I's who playing the work. I'd be so scared. That's it. Like do this, and I'd be like no.
yeah, that's so true. And like
No.
you IG and all that there, like yo.
I would not be popping pigments without Destiny.
And who the other fella? The fella that was talking to you the night.
Jimmy Bell.
Yeah.
Big up Jimmy Bell. You never gonna see this video. But big up to you, Jimmy Bell. And big up to me. Cause like you motivate me out of everybody else. You know when I crying when I do my makeup, you be like, nah, big man, you already know you get that look do last week. Stop playing. You know what?
I don't have to test you on, honestly. I know you're gonna come on good point blank period.
I need that encouragement in the moment.
Who's most likely to have a bestseller? Like a book.
A book?
Like first, saying that there. Okay.
No, you can if you
Oh,
you
alright,
opinions,
sorry.
you opinions.
Me, because like I feel as though I went through so much shit in my life, and people, I feel like people will find entertainment in it, and probably I can go big success stories.
I feel like me because like I defy all odds. Like I should have never been where I am today. Not saying that I got like this big thing because I achieved half of the things that I wanted to achieve. Like this is just not even the beginning.
It's true.
And like I do so much, and it's like pat on the back.
I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Like people need to understand the struggle that I went through mentally, spiritually, emotionally,
True.
financially. Who's most likely to be the life of the party? I don't like right that Destiny saying that I'm not the life of the party.
I don't
like
think
this
that,
thing because literally right Destiny was not getting pick up mine until she see me picking up both of them. You know? I feel as though like if you got both of we as a unit together.
Yeah, that party done lit.
I feel like if I put myself, I feel like I too shy. I can be like too nervous. I can be too nervous to do something. I feel like Destiny.
I'm more old than that.
Yeah.
Relax. I'm like,
Mhm.
no. Who is most likely to appear on a reality show or have one? Both of us. Why I say both of us? Mainly because I feel as though I want to do a TV show. Although it's not really somebody like that gonna be in our sector, I feel as though I still want people to see my life. Cause they always say, "Yo, we should do a reality
Like
show."
yeah, for example, we was lunch
like,
we was so act like we was in a reality TV show. Like yeah, guys, we're just cooking and cleaning and all sorts of things. Like oh my gosh, we're getting the new Chanel and all that. Like we used to be tripping as kids. Like we was so super dramatic.
I have so much
and
dreams,
stuff like
honestly.
that. Yeah. What you think me though? Because you see I more in that sector.
Honestly, yeah, probably will though, and they probably gonna appear on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who is most likely to marry a drug dealer? A drug lord, sorry, drug dealer, or drug lord. I say yo because you like the gang thing. No, you like to read the books. The
Mafia. Let me
mafia
tell you
things.
something. I got a very unhealthy obsession with the mafia, big one. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, mafia and cartel, and like the mob, the Russian mob, and things like that. There. And I honestly be inside of my head, like, yo, suppose no, that had really happened. I just want it to happen, low-key.
I don't think I want like a CEO or somebody rich that can take care of me that got private jets.
I am the CEO. I am the boss.
I met a man.
Right? That's what he's saying. You can marry the CEO, but I'm the CEO. I don't need you to be a CEO.
I can be a CEO too. Who is most likely to become a CEO of a company? Yeah, again.
Don't hold like you're.
I could be a CEO.
All
Alright, what you saying meaning? Cause we don't know what you.
Because Daphne is very goal oriented, to be honest. Like she got structure, so I feel like she would work herself up the company. Who would be it
and
first?
own your company.
That's the thing. Who would be it first? I would feel like me. Because
True.
I am the CEO.
Yeah, true.
Popping Pigments, follow me on Instagram.
YouTube.
But me.
Buck her, like,
Buck
don't
me.
just follow and, like, buck.
Help a black girl get out the hood. For
Period.
$1 a day. You can see him show.
$80. $80 a book.
Who is most likely to get our parents mad?
I'm in a crash.
I am the golden child.
Too? No, you told me you was the golden child. You was doing a lot of foolish things. I remember like, Diane. I'm gonna put both of us because we're sharing this.
No,
because
that's exactly what Destiny's do. That's an exhibit. She putting me in trouble, dog. Because
nah, be
this
like
is
for real, mommy scroll with you. Like if like
no, at the end of the day, everybody gonna crawl.
Alright, most. Okay,
right, most likely too.
Okay, most.
Because Destiny just emotional and get angry quickly for nothing and shout. Like we low, like we so low.
It had a meme. It was like, damn, all this girl do is yell.
But who's most likely to just cause an argument over money? Let me tell you something. If you owe Destiny money, is a problem. If you owe Destiny 12%, give her back. Do not take it.
No,
not take it.
Like if you tell me you're gonna give right 12%, give right 12%. At the end of the day, it's principles, morals. But no, if it's a 12% for sure.
Destiny, you crowd me over 12%.
I roll bad, dog.
To be honest, Destiny just money.
I probably needed the 12% at the moment though. Like, don't play me like that. I probably had 325.
Fast for bus rate.
Let's just talk about that going back down though.
It can't go back down, to be honest.
Let's talk about minimum wage going up though. We see you at me here. Mia cares. Should have got the shirt.
For real. They
Where's
think it's
the
right,
love?
we choose them right.
There's no days again.
Who is most likely to marry a rich person?
Period.
Cause I got my own money.
I love money. I like how you try to downplay it. Like I got my own money. I got my own money too.
I know, but that's
like,
me.
I like to be taken care of, and I believe in men being masculine.
You forgetting this getting up on YouTube?
For real?
All of it can't be poked. Cause you can't say that on TV. You can't say that on TV.
Alright, who is most likely to give money without asking back? Right, like
you don't have money to give Destiny. I'm like, Destiny's coming ask up for the 12%. I like, you serious?
I feel as though I do some nice things. Don't do me like that.
I feel like you's not giving of materialistic things. You's a more of an emotional support person.
Like,
because,
oh my god.
Cut the camera!
Who is most likely to be protective over the other? Both of us, because like one thing about me and she, we gonna ride until we can't no more, until we die.
So we are here at the ending of the video. If you want to see more of my sister, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to
stay poppin'. Bye.
Fake.
Now you make Missy pizza, man.
You was buying something?
Yes.
Will you tell me you don't want to buy something?
We have come to the end of our video. Well, not our video. Like, if you would like to see me have my own YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to... You serious? You serious?
What?
Still popping?
I forget.
You can't be... Sorry. Because not Gabby. Gabby I couldn't understand. Because she's not my sister. And always remember to...
Always be yourself.